Hopefully you can hear me. Hopefully you can hear me. So let's get to it real quick. So the signals that were sent are here. So NZD JPY sell, GBP NZD buy. That was Sunday signal, so that was two. Monday gave me CAD JPY, CHF JPY, AUD JPY, and NZD JPY. Okay. The strongest trades would be this one and this one, and I'm gonna show you exactly why. All right. So what I want you guys to do is take these signals for Sunday starting at 3 o'clock or 15 on TradingView and apply your strategy, but in a swing mindset or intraday mindset. Okay, and see how you guys would catch these trades. So when I do miss and I send out those trades, y'all can apply y'all system and setups and show how y'all can catch those trades. All right. So Sundays these and Mondays are these. So it's 6 total trades, and 2 of these are like master trades, like those ones that are very, very strong. So let's take a look at them. NZD/JPY, looking for a sale at the beginning of the week, and it's here. I got these take profits and stop loss things set up to 1 to 3. Now, if you look here, NZD/JPY gap down. This is still a valid trade for me. Why? Because the opening should have been at this level here, but it did gap down. That gap filled and came back to exactly where we needed it to be. And I can take a trade from that level if I choose to, or I can wait for my signal. Now, to each his own on that one, right? So I wouldn't have taken this one according to my conservativeness, but according to the strategy, this could have been taken here in this area, or you could take it at this signal. All right. Next, NZD/JPY also triggered for a buy on Monday. So here, this is inside, but it doesn't give me a signal. It doesn't give me a signal. This one's below. I'm ready to ride. That's even more of a confirmation because it's like a rubber band. Okay, a liquidity grab, whatever it is you want to call it. Boom, price pushes up. This is 1 to 3. That will continue going to the upside. All right, so let's look at our next one. GBP NZD. All right, let's look at GBP NZD for a buy on Sunday. All right, and people look at this and say, well, you didn't catch that sale, so you were wrong. No, I got what I needed, right? This is the thing. This is not my trade. From this top to this bottom, that's not my trade. So therefore, I didn't miss anything. This is my trade. Now, this one's interesting. I wouldn't have caught this one, but I know, well, I'm not to you. I would have caught this one because I would have put a stop, a buy, or a limit order. My bad. I put a limit order because I know this is one of my stronger signals. So it did exactly what I needed it to do. It's in my zone. I can literally put a buy stop here, take loss, or a buy. I'm gonna say a buy, a limit order here, stop loss there. That gives me my 1 to 3. I'm expecting this one because it's a stronger trade. Now, why is it strong? Because in my signals, let's go here. For my signals, it gives me, where are we? Here we go. It gives me here GBP and ZD, and then my GBP column or row gives me the same thing, GBP and ZD, right? So this is GBP and ZD, GBP and ZD. This was inverse, so they both were telling me a buy. Same thing here, CAD JPY triggered here, CAD JPY triggered here, and they're both in the same direction, right? Well, this one's inverse, so therefore they're in the same direction. All right, so therefore that's why that one is a stronger trade and why GBP and ZD is a stronger trade. And I'll talk about why. I'm talking and saying that they are inverse. I mean, I'm sure y'all already know if you follow me, but yeah, GBP and ZD. I just did that one here. 1 to 3 risk reward. So now let's hop over to CAD JPY. Let's go to my JPY, CAD JPY. As you can see here, we got a buy. It's not in the zone, not in the zone. It is in the zone. We take a buy. All right, that's CAD, CHF, JPY. Similar setup. Okay, so we got here, not in the zone, not in the zone. Push down below, liquidity sweep, whatever you want to call it. Pushed up. Now, I wouldn't have caught this one unless I put it at this level. And that's hindsight looking back. It's easy to say, well, put a stop order if it pushes below. That's easy to say. But this is 1 to 3. But personally, I wouldn't have caught it because I've been waiting on a signal. Signal happened here. That's a huge push. Now I can wait for like half that candle to come and retest to catch it. But this is hindsight. So personally, I wouldn't have caught this one. To be honest with you, I would not because it pushed too fast and too far. So for me, nah, I wouldn't have caught that one. But as you can see, it did go in profit for a 1 to 3 risk reward, AUDJPY, similar setup, right? So we're inside here, no signal. Inside here, we're no signal. Here, we break outside, looking for that rubber band effect. That pushes up and gives me my signal at a decent time. Didn't push too far away. That's a 1 to 3. And I think the same thing for NZD JPY. Yep, so we're inside, no signal, inside, no signal. Outside, pushed it for the buy. Great trade here. And it shoots up. That one goes for a lot longer. So 1 to 3. So with that being said, what Ron's perspective was on when to get in and out or when to get out of trades that you're winning, that's something I'm working on too. And as it is a great topic to talk about, and I really want to talk to y'all about it, but I've been so busy, I haven't been able to say much. But I really want to talk to you guys about that because that's something I'm trying to fight also, holding on to trades for longer. And I told you guys that that's something that I'm working on myself. But that's a conversation I feel like we need to have, bounce some stuff off of each other, do some research. But yeah, we need to talk about that. But yeah, what I want you guys to do is take these 6 trade ideas here, the 2 on Sunday, the 4 on Monday, and apply a swing strategy or day trading strategy to that system, not scalping. So don't go to those really low time frames because you will get put into these trades too early. So look at a day trading or swing trading mindset or strategy, change your strategy to day trading or swing trading and apply it to these signals here, right? So Monday, and all of them open up at 3 o'clock. So 15 on TradingView or 3 o'clock your time. Apply your system to it and see how you guys play out. So when I'm not there, y'all can talk about it from your perspective, but you'll have the signals to talk about.